Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 47. JEONGMAL. JEONGMAL. The word JEONGMAL is used to say very or really in Korean. How do you write JEONGMAL in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable Jeong, we need to draw first a jiat character, followed by an all character, followed by an eon character. For the second syllable mal, we need to draw first a mium character, followed by an a character, followed by a real character. To understand more about JEONGMAL, let's try using it in a sentence. So here's an example sentence. It's JEONGMAL 죄송합니다. This sentence could be subdivided into two. The first part is JEONGMAL, which is our word for today, and it is used to say very much. The second word is Joesonghamnida, which means I'm sorry. So when we combine those two, it would result to a sentence that means I'm so sorry, or 정말 죄송합니다. And with that, you've just learned 정말. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 37 to 46. But don't forget our word for today, word number 47, 정말, which means really or very much. The first word for our review is word number 46. It's mianhae, which means I'm sorry. Word number 45 is 집, which means home. Word number 44 is 시간, which means time. Word number 43 is 고양이, which means cat. Word number 42 is 학생, which means student. Word number 41 is Aniyo, which means it's not. Word number 40 is ne or de, which means yes. Word number 39 is Aniyo, which means no. Word number 38 is check, which means book. And the last word for our review is word number 37, 학교, which means school. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.